We love loose leaf tea. We don't use tea bags, but we know the convenience of a good tea bag. So this is the new Magic Tea Sachet. They come in these little packets like this, and we made these larger ones for iced tea, and these come with all the Cosmic Garden iced teas. Then we made these super cute ones for individual cups of tea. You can cold steep them, you can use them in hot water. I added a cute little drawstring. You can also use this if you're throwing a party and you want to make a large batch of hot tea. One other thing about these is they are not the silky ones, which most of them are made out of plastic. So you're not drinking plastics, you're drinking ecological, non-GMO corn-based paper. You get loose leaf quality with tea bag simplicity. And then you just throw this in the garden after, and eventually it'll just disappear, like all your life's regrets.